How to buy EA powered CMP token. So this token it came under the symbol EICMP. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, it's in the DEX screener, it's available there. And if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token, the liquidity here in 99%, 91% are locked. That means your investment in the safe place. And now this token came under Solana network. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address. Now go and open your Phantom wallet. And after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. And now here type how much you want to buy. Now after that, this is how much you will receive, and now select the provider from here, for example Jupiter. Read the information from here and click on swap, and they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you find an issue, just go back to this page and click here on Slipper, switch it from here or custom it from here, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the ECMP token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.